Hi guys, how are you all doing? My name's Rodian, and if you're new to the channel, then welcome. Today in this episode is day one of the roof. Now, all the brickwork's done, we'll finish with that. Now we're going to start a new chapter in this adventure. We've got to felt, batten and tile this roof. First thing we need to do is get some felt and some nails up here and a few battens lined up. So as we go up, we felt up, put a batten on, hold it down so the wind doesn't blow it away, a few nails in it, and just keep going up, keep going up, keep going up until this whole roof, sorry about the sun, till this whole roof's done. So that's stage number one. First thing and first day of first doing this. Let's get some gear up here. Right, so now I've got a bit of gear up here. I'm going to take the felt, I'm going to roll it out along here, just put a couple of nails in it, a couple of little clout nails just to hold it in place. Then I'm going to start putting a batten on, probably 2 on the first bit of felt, just to hold it there, and then once I've got the whole roof felted, then I'm going to come back and I'm going to put the battens, I'm going to measure out for the tiles, put the battens in the right place to measure it out, and then go all the way from up there and put all the battens on that needs to be done. So first job, felt the whole roof as quickly as possible with just a few battens here and there. Nice bit of felt. That off out of it. Cool, that was a lot louder than I thought it was going to be. Well, now this stuff, for those of you who don't know what it is intermediate breather membrane. Basically what it does is it stops water going through. It's water repellent, waterproof basically, water won't go through this, but also it lets the air through so it can breathe and not swim. I don't know if you can see that on there, but there's tiny little holes, and on the back there's sort of little recesses. I don't know how they make this stuff. I think it's like fine fibres woven together, but air passes through but water doesn't, so you don't get a stuffy house or a wet house. Very good. There's the bit of paper if you're interested. I'm not going to fucking read through all that, that's for sure. I know what it does. Got my hammer. A couple of them. Put them in your gob. Now I'm going to leave the overhang quite a bit. Oh, before you do this, make sure you got all your insulation in. I've only got it about up to there. When I get up to there I can climb on the battens and do it. So what? Now if at any point I'm doing something wrong, please get in touch down in the comments. Let me know if I'm doing anything wrong at any point. So this is how I've always done it. I'll leave an overhang about there just in case, and an overhang to that line just in case. And what I'll do is I'm just going to pop one nail in here. I like to do it above the line because this line dictates where the overlap has to be. So if I put a nail in above the line, then if for any reason any water's going to get through there, that's going to cover it. And also I only do one because I can move it at an angle. If you put another one in the bottom, you can't move it up and down. So now this is where I need a belt rather than this thing. I'll roll this out. This is a bit on the dodge, this. Right, that's on that line. I'll have that coming over. And then I'll cut that about there. Could do with a new blade in that. You see those little fibres? I don't know if you can see that on that camera. Little fibres together. Very good stuff. This blade is well done for. Try the other end. Now I'm of the understanding that you don't want to pull it tight, you need a little bit of flex in here. So I'm probably going to bang that in about there. I'm going to have to find my bloody belt because this isn't right. Double check that. I'll just put a nail in there just to hold that. Right now, try and have it. I hope that seems well, that seems right to me. Now what I'm going to do, remember to cut these before we go up. That is so blunt. Oh, that's a shame, that's just a bit too short. You cut these old long uns. Put one about there. Don't hammer them all the way in because I've got to move these. I'm going to put another one in a minute just so I can get up there. And so this can fly away. I think 3 would be enough.
So there we go. There's a fair old chunk of that done. There's just that bit at the top and a couple of bits on the other side and the 2 ends that need doing and we're finished. Not too bad, I don't think. I would have had the whole thing done, here comes the excuse, but it has been raining a lot this week, so I'm lucky I got this done. Got absolutely soaked the past couple of days, but hey ho. Right, I'll just quickly show you what we've done. So as you can see, we've got the main section of the back done. I've left off all of the dormers for the time being. Now, this is one question to you guys. Do I put the felt going this way, or do I have it going this way? My understanding is it goes this way, so you lap it on the way down, but I have seen it being done this way. So yeah, in the comments please, let me know what your opinions are. Also, I've had a couple of people asking me what I'm doing with the dormers. They are just going to be tiled just the same as the roof. I did think about putting timber across it, like a bit of shiplap, like some old rustic looking timbers, but I think the tiles, just to tile it all, make it all look as one, I think that's the best way to go. I've left these bits hanging over. These are going to get stapled up to the timbers, to the ply, and then when I put the sheeting over the top of it, that will go over the top, so any water comes off, it will run off into here and then down. And we'll go around the front now. So there's that section. It's all looking very nice. Like I said, I've only put a few battens on there just to get the felt on. I'm going to batten it out properly next episode next week, because it's Friday now, so it'll be next week. And here we have the front. I tried it this way, but I think I'm going to pull that off. As you can see here, I'm just going to pull all that off. I've tested a few different spacings for the tiles, and these are the tiles that we're going to be having. They're clay red. I forget who makes them now. Can't remember. But yeah, these are the tiles, very nice. Lovely, beautiful chimney. If you haven't seen the video in the chimney, link around here somewhere, in a card and all that. Yeah, I haven't done the tops of these yet. There we go, more up there. More up there. Right, I'll jump up here and show you from the top. Oh, on these reveals here in these little valleys, I'm going to have soakers, little bits of tin that go along and up. So that should stop any rain getting in there as well. Let's run up here, eh? I am wearing trainers now, but I've only just swapped into these. Don't worry, I was wearing my safety boots all day. Yeah, and there we go. This is just the last bit I need to do, and these two hips. Oh, and that. So yeah, another day getting all that on, and then just put that through and over the top. Yeah, lovely. Right, there we go. I'll leave that there for this episode. Leave a like down below if you've enjoyed it. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys next episode. So take care, have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Monday morning. Well, it'll be Thursday when I put the video up, but you know what I mean.